What?
Bayerische Motorenwerke.
This is Mo, the barber over here. We over here today with the 2020 BMW M8 competition. Trying to tell you guys what I did to it since I had it in December. I had put a lower down pipes, front intakes, front lip. Don't really need much. This shit already got 670 horsepower. With a tune, you're ready. I'm not saying numbers. I'm not saying numbers with the kids around. But it's a good day. This car, when I seen it, took my spot, man. Individual color, perfect. I had to do some touch-ups on the headlights. They was blue, but I had to put the yellow DRLs with the matching yellow intakes. Everybody thinks it's turbos, but we go with it. With the perfect matching. Not matching, but the interior is flawless. Peanut butter, you can't go wrong with that. Can't go with the combo. This with the gray is perfect. With the black wheels, flawless. The way this joint is sitting low, I lowered it on KWS suspension. A couple inches down, just for the fitment.
Gonna let us hear your intake right now?
Yeah, man. Let y'all hear this beast. Watch us soon how this beast's gonna turn out.
They got new mods coming in.
New mods every week. One thing about owning a nice car, you gotta smell nice. 1 million.
Yes, sir.
This is a commercial for them, by the way. But yeah, man. Stay tuned.